Mobile computing. It is a generic term which describes one's ability to use technology while moving. Mobile computing is a technology which allows the transmission of data via a computer without having to be connected to a fixed physical link. It usually requires a portable computer that is battery-powered rather than a desktop. Mobile computing system involves a mobile device, such as a laptop computer, tablet or smartphone, and a wireless network connection based on Wi-Fi or cellular wireless technology, such as 5G. Mobile devices typically can store data locally, and access to that data doesn't require a network connection.
Features of mobile computing. Communication protocols. Wireless network. Global positioning system, GPS. Mobile software.
School applications help students for online learning, to receive and submit homework, etc. Traffic. With the help of smartphones, one can access latest news, road situation, and other important broadcast data and GPS system. In case on an accident, one can easily inform the police and ambulance. Emergency situation. It facilitates very useful communication in natural disasters such as earthquake, flood, fire, and tsunami. It also plays a vital role in medical sectors to hire an ambulance to help patients. Business. With the help of video conferences and digital marketing campaigns, one can get access and share about new products and helps to boost the business. Credit card verification. It makes it easy for credit card verification when customer purchase items in malls and in other marts.
Advantages of mobile computing. Increasing productivity. Entertainment. Portability. Cloud computing.
Disadvantages of mobile computing. Battery consumption hindrance. Inefficient bandwidth in transmission. Connection losses over network. Network instability. Protection constraints.
E-governance. E-governance, meaning electronic governance, is using information and communication technologies, ICTs, such as wide area networks, the Internet, and mobile computing, at various levels of the government and the public sector and beyond, for the purpose of enhancing governance.
Objective of governance. 1. One of the basic objectives of e-governance is to make every information of the government available to all in the public interest. 2. One of its goals is to create a cooperative structure between the government and the people and to seek help and advice from the people, to make the government aware of the problems of the people. 3. To increase and encourage people's participation in the governance process. 4. E-governance improves the country's information and communication technology and electronic media, with the aim of strengthening the country's economy by keeping governments, people, and businesses in tune with the modern world. 5. One of its main objectives is to establish transparency and accountability in the governance process. 6. To reduce government spending on information and services.
Types of e-governance. 1. G2C, government to citizen. As people are the key concept of politics and government as well as governance, the government is compelled to connect with citizens through the transparent and accountable order. In this connection, the government is responsible for promoting the social opportunities and public services in the field of transportation, registration of motor vehicles, issue of driving licenses, issue of applying permissions, tax and fee collection through cash and bank challenges, and control of pollution, etc. Hospitals, linking of various hospitals in different parts of the country to ensure better medical services to citizens. Education, availability of the e-learning modules to the citizens, right to education. Online job portal and various customer services.
2. G2B, Government to Business. G2B is mainly concerned with these things. E-taxation, getting a license from the government, etc. Secure electronic transactions.
Three. G2G, Government to Government. G2G has been referring to raising the quality of the government process by cost-cutting, managing performance, and making strategic connections within government. It enables government institutions to be more efficient and more effective by the use of IT tools such as live fingerprint scanning and verification, electronic entry of reports and paperwork, etc.
4. G2E, Government to Employee. The G2E model refers to providing information and services from government to employee and employee to government as well. It involves training through e-learning methods, consolidating the employee and share of knowledge among the employees. It has also facilitated the employee to access information regarding pay and benefit policies and manage their profits through online. Internet of Things, IoT. The Internet of Things, IoT, describes the network of physical objects, things, that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the Internet.
Components of Internet of Things, IoT. Sensors/devices. First, sensors or devices help in collecting very minute data from the surrounding environment. All of this collected data can have various degrees of complexities, ranging from a simple temperature monitoring sensor or a complex full video feed. A device can have multiple sensors that can bundle together to do more than just sense things. For example, our phone is a device that has multiple sensors such as GPS, accelerometer, camera, but our phone does not simply sense things.
2. Connectivity. Next, that collected data is sent to a cloud infrastructure, but it needs a medium for transport. The sensors can be connected to the cloud through various mediums of communication and transport such as cellular networks, satellite networks, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, wide area networks, WAN, low power wide area network, and many more. Three. Data processing. Once the data is collected and it gets to the cloud, the software performs processing on the acquired data. This can range from something very simple, such as checking that the temperature reading on devices such as AC or heaters is within an acceptable range. It can sometimes also be very complex, such as identifying objects, such as intruders in your house, using computer vision on video.
4. User interface. Next, the information made available to the end user in some way. This can achieve by triggering alarms on their phones or notifying through texts or emails. Also, a user sometimes might also have an interface through which they can actively check in on their IoT system. For example, a user has a camera installed in his house. He might want to check the video recordings and all the feeds through a web server.
Application of IoT. 1. Healthcare. Wearable IoT devices provide a range of benefits to patients and healthcare providers alike. By extension, IoT enables healthcare professionals to monitor patients remotely. The devices can automatically collect patients' health vitals like blood pressure, heart rate, temperature, and more.
2. Insurance. IoT is altering traditional business models like insurance. It simplifies and accelerates the claim and underwriting process. Besides reducing costs, digital networking via IoT generates additional revenues. Cross-selling and more significant customer interaction become a strategic component for insurers.
3. Manufacturing. The Internet of Things creates a more technically driven environment for manufacturing industries. It can automatically track development cycles, facilitate the production flow, and manage inventories.
4. Transportation. IoT applications integrate personal and commercial vehicles by improving communication and information distribution. Besides connecting consumers and goods, it offers benefits such as route optimization, automobile tracking, weather monitoring, distance coverage, and more. 5. Utilities/energy. A grid can have IoT capabilities with intelligent meters, receivers, sensors, and energy boxes communicating. IoT applications in utilities generate revenue, improve efficiency, and conserve resources. Utility providers can keep up with the rising demand by optimizing energy and distribution with the help of IoT. 6. Hospitality. Many hotels allow guests to control air conditioning, heating, or ventilation from a central location. Television control and greeting devices are also common. Moreover, Internet of Things devices alert the staff about various appliances' operating status. As a result, technicians can fix critical appliances even before any major functionality loss occurs.